Hey there! If you're eager to start dashing but ran into a snag with your background check, you're not alone. Whether you've been waiting for weeks or stumbled upon an error, understanding how to fix background check on DoorDash is crucial. In this guide, we'll walk you through several steps to help you resolve these issues and get back on the road to delivering delicious meals. Step 1. Understand the background check process. Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand the DoorDash background check process. DoorDash partners with a company called Checker to conduct comprehensive checks, which include criminal records, motor vehicle reports, and identity verification. Typically, the process takes 5 to 10 business days, but delays can occur. Ensure you've provided all necessary information accurately to avoid unnecessary hitches. Step 2. Check your application status. The first step in fixing a background check problem is to determine your current status. Log into the Checker applicant portal using your email and social security number to view updates. Here, you'll see the status of your background check, be it pending, complete, or flagged for review. This insight will be key to determining your next steps. Step 3. Resolve pending or delayed checks. If your background check status is pending or delayed, patience is key, but actions can be helpful too. Ensure all personal information is correct in your application. Common delays are due to courts taking longer to respond or issues with your driver's license information. Consider contacting DoorDash support or visiting the Checker Help Center for clarification and assistance. They may expedite the process or provide more accurate timeline. Step 4. Address discrepancies or errors. In cases where your background check is flagged or returned with errors, it's crucial to act swiftly. Review any provided information for accuracy. If an error is present, you have the right to dispute it. Contact Checker customer support to initiate a dispute, providing any necessary documentation to support your case. This can include updated driver's license or corrected personal information. Step 5. Handle a denied application. If your application was denied, it can be disheartening, but there are avenues to explore. Understand the reasons behind denial. This often involves criminal history or driving records outside of DoorDash's guidelines. You may appeal the decision by following the steps outlined in the DoorDash denial email or by directly contacting their support team for guidance. Corrections and updates to inaccurate information could lead to a successful reevaluation. Step 6. Consider legal and professional advice. For those facing repeated denials due to criminal records or other serious issues, legal advice might be beneficial. A professional can help interpret the background check results and provide guidance on possible action. Additionally, improving your driving record over time might bolster your chance of approval on reapplication. Getting approved to dash on DoorDash involves clearing their stringent background checks, which, while robust, can sometimes pose hurdles. By understanding how to fix background checks on DoorDash, staying proactive, and addressing errors or delays promptly, you can increase your chances of clearing the check successfully. If you encounter more serious blocks, don't hesitate to reach out to legal advisors. Remember, persistence and accurate information are your best allies in unlocking doors to your DoorDash career. Happy dashing, and may your journey be smooth and rewarding.